Beautiful blue beaded silk jacket. It's crop. It's bolero length, which appeals to a lot of people because it's just so versatile. You can wear it with so many things, and it's heavily beaded, and the beading is gorgeous. It's exquisite, and the color of blue and silver is absolutely exquisite. So check out this beautiful beaded jacket, and for this price I'm having a huge sale, so I'm trying to sell off everything and start all over. So definitely take advantage of that and come to my store and buy stuff on eBay, my eBay store, and buy stuff for 20% of its value. And I'd say 99.7% of my stuff is vintage, 70s and older. Rockstar alert, here is a gorgeous